Welcome to Fluent and Fearless. Speak English with confidence.
Hello, beautiful learner, and welcome to Fluent and Fearless. I'm so happy you're here today. This is not just an English learning channel. This is a safe space, a space where you can learn English calmly, without pressure, without fear, and without worrying about mistakes. So take a slow, deep breath with me. Remember something important. You don't need perfect English. You don't need a perfect accent. You only need one thing: the courage to try. Every word you speak is progress. Every small step you take is growth. And today, in this episode, we're going to talk about how you can start speaking English more confidently every single day. So relax, listen closely, and let's begin this journey together.
Many English learners believe something like this: when I become fluent, then I will feel confident. Maybe you have thought this too. Maybe you told yourself, one day, when my English is perfect, then I will speak. But my friend, the truth is, confidence does not come after fluency. Confidence comes before fluency. Let me explain. Fluency is not a magic moment. It is not a finish line. Fluency is built slowly, step by step, word by word, sentence by sentence. And confidence is the first step. Even native English speakers make mistakes. They forget words, they pause, they say the wrong thing sometimes, but they continue speaking because they understand something important. Speaking is not about being perfect. Speaking is about being present. Speaking is about connection. So the real question is not, will I make mistakes? Because yes, you will. Everyone does. The real question is, can I still speak even if I make mistakes? And the answer is yes. You are allowed to speak imperfectly. You are allowed to learn slowly. You are allowed to take your time. Your English does not need to be perfect. It only needs to be real. Think about a child learning to walk. They fall. They try again. No one laughs at them. No one says, stop. We smile because we know falling is part of growing. And learning English is the same. Every mistake is not failure. Every mistake is progress. Every time you try, you become stronger. So please, be kind to yourself. Do not wait for confidence to appear. Build confidence by speaking now. Even one sentence is enough. Even one word is enough. Because courage grows through practice. Now let's say something together. Repeat after me, slowly. I am learning. I am improving. I do not need to be perfect. I can speak without fear. One more time. I am learning. I am improving. I can speak without fear. Beautiful. And remember, you are not behind. You are not bad at English. You are simply becoming fluent and fearless. If you feel shy speaking English, I want you to pause for a moment and realize something important. You are not alone. So many learners understand English. They can read, they can write, but when it is time to speak, their voice becomes quiet, their mind becomes nervous, and they think, what if I say something wrong? What if people judge me? What if I sound stupid? My friend, This fear is normal because speaking a new language is personal. It feels like showing a part of yourself. But listen gently. The problem is not your English. The problem is the pressure you put on yourself. You think you must speak perfectly, but perfect English is not the goal. Communication is the goal. Connection is the goal. Confidence is the goal. Let me tell you a secret. Most people are not judging you. Most people are too busy thinking about themselves. And the people who truly matter will respect you for trying, because learning another language is brave. It is not easy. It takes courage. So instead of asking, "What if I make mistakes?" ask yourself, "What if I improve because I try?" Every time you speak, even with mistakes, you are training your brain. You are growing your confidence. You are becoming stronger. English is not a test you pass or fail. English is a bridge to new opportunities, new friendships, new freedom. So please, don't let fear stop you. Speak gently. Speak slowly. Speak anyway. Because your voice matters, and you deserve to be heard. Take a breath. You're doing better than you think.
Now, let's talk about something practical, because motivation is beautiful, but habits are powerful. I want to share with you 3 simple daily habits that will help you speak English more confidently every single day. Not in 1 year, but starting today.
The first habit is simple. Speak 1 sentence every day. Not 1 hour, not a long conversation, just 1 sentence, because confidence grows in small steps. For example, you can say, "Today I feel proud of myself," or "I am learning English calmly," or "I will not give up." 1 sentence is enough because 1 sentence becomes 2. 2 becomes 5, and slowly speaking becomes natural. Do not wait for big confidence. Start with small courage. Habit number 2. Copy calm English speakers. Fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency is about speaking clearly. So listen to calm voices, podcasts, slow English videos, and repeat. This is called shadowing. You listen and you copy. Repeat after me. I speak slowly and clearly. Again, I speak slowly and clearly. Perfect. When you copy calm speakers, your brain learns rhythm, your mouth learns pronunciation, and your confidence grows. Now, habit number 3. This is the most important one. Change your inner voice. Because many learners speak to themselves like this: "I'm bad at English. I always make mistakes. I'm not fluent." But would you speak to a friend that way? No. So speak to yourself with kindness. Instead of saying, "I can't speak English," say, "I am still learning." Instead of saying, "I'm afraid," say, "I'm practicing." Let's repeat together. Mistakes are proof that I am learning. My voice matters. I am becoming fearless. Beautiful. Your mindset is your power. When your mind becomes kind, your English becomes free. Now, let's practice together.
Repeat after me slowly. I speak English with confidence. I speak English with courage. I do not fear mistakes. Every day I improve. My English is getting better. My voice is strong. I am fluent and fearless. One more time. I am fluent and fearless.
Before we end, remember this. Confidence is not something you wait for. Confidence is something you build with small, brave steps. So today, even if you speak one sentence, you are growing, you are improving, you are becoming fluent and fearless. Thank you for listening. Until next time, stay fluent, stay fearless.